to solve logarithms. Logarithms might be intimidating, but solving a logarithm is much simpler once you realize that logarithms are just another way to write out exponential equations. Once you rewrite the logarithm into a more familiar form, you should be able to solve it as you would any standard exponential equation. The first thing you need to do is know the logarithm definition. Y is equals to log b x. The b is the base, y is the exponent, and the x is the exponential expression. If and only if b raised to y is equals to x, note that b is the base of the logarithm. It must also be true that b is greater than 0 and b does not equal to 1. In the same equation, y is the exponent and x the exponential expression that the logarithm set equal to. Look at the equation and identify the base, exponent, and exponential expression. 5 is equals to log 4, 1024. The base is the 4. The y or the exponent is 5. And the x or the exponential expression is 1024. Move the exponential expression to one side of the equation. Set the value of your exponential expression x to one side of the equal sign. Apply the exponent to the base. The value of your base needs to be multiplied by itself by the amount of times indicated by your exponent, y. This could also be written as 4 raised to 5. The last step is rewrite your final answer. You should be able to rewrite the logarithm as an exponential expression now. Verify that your answer is correct by making sure that both sides of the equation are equal. So, this is method 1, solve for x. Isolate the logarithm. Use inverse operation to move any part of the equation that is not part of the logarithm to the opposite side of the equation. So, this. So, cancel it, and this one, 10 minus 6 is equals to 4, and copy it. Rewrite the equation in an exponential form. Comparing this equation to the definition, y is equals to log of b x, you can conclude that y is equals to 4, the b or the base is equals to 3, and x is the x plus 5. Rewrite the equation so that b raised to y is equals to x, and that will be 3 raised to 4 is equals to x plus 5. And after that, let's solve for x. Example, 3 raised to 4 is equals x plus 5. 3 raised to 4 is also written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equals to x plus 5. If we multiply all this, the answer will be 81 equals x plus 5. Para matira si x, ima-minus natin yung 5 sa both side. Then cancel this, and 81 minus 5 is equals to 76. So, the x will be 76. Then, write your final answer. The answer you got when solving for x is the solution to your original logarithm. Next is method 2, solve for x using the logarithmic product. The first property of logarithms, known as the product rule, states that the logarithm of a multiplied product equals the sum of logarithms of both factors written in equation form. Log of b m times n is equals log of bm plus log of bn. Also note that it is true that m is greater than 0 and n is greater than 0. The next is isolate the logarithm to one side of the equation. Example, log of 4x plus 6 is equals to minus log of 4x. Use inverse operations to shift the parts of the equation around so that all logarithms are on one side of the equation while all others elements are on the opposite side. Log of 4x plus 6 plus log of 4x is equals to 2 minus log of 4x plus log of 4x. So if we cancel it, the answer will be this. Then, apply the product rule. If there are two logarithms added together in equation, you can use the product rule to combine the two logarithms into one. Like this. Then, multiply this. X times x is equals to x squared and x times 6 is 6x equals 2. Rewrite this equation in exponential form. Comparing this equation to the definition of y is equals to log of bx, you can conclude that y is equals to 2 or the exponent, b or the base is equals to 4, and x, the exponential expression, is equals to x squared plus 6. Rewrite the equation so that by is equals to x, and that will be 4 squared is equals to x squared plus 6x. Then after that, solve for x. Use your knowledge of exponential equation to solve for x as you usually would. Sample. 4 squared is equals to x squared plus 6x. 4 squared is also written as 4 times 4 is equals to x squared plus 6x. 4 times 4 is equals to 16 equals x squared plus 6x. Then, para maging 0 to, magma-minus tayo sa both side ng 16. So, 16 minus 16 equals x squared plus 6x minus 16. Then, cancel it. So, it will become 0 is equals to x squared plus 6x minus 16. Then, factor it. So, the answer will be 0 is equals to x minus 2 and x plus 8. So the answer will be x is equals to 2 and x is equals to negative 8.